Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'll be doing a review on Sunber hair, and this is just what the packaging is looking like. Once you open your package, you do have your hair, and this is what it's looking like in the plastic wrap that it came in. In the box, you receive a wig cap, and this is just a nude cap that you can use, and also an adjustable strap that can come in really handy. So I'm just taking the hair from the net, and this is what it's looking like so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the inside is looking like. So as you guys can see, this is a frontal wig, and inside you do have 3 combs as well as an adjustable strap towards the back. This wig is also pre-plucked, so this is the close-up of what the hair is looking like before I do anything to it. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. It is a 16-inch frontal body wave, Brazilian body wave hair, and this is the texture that it has. It is super soft. First impression, like, it is so soft. So guys, I did bleach my knots, so I use a 30 developer and the basic white tool. I used to have this for the basic white and one of this measuring tool to mix it, and I got this consistency. It's not too thick, not too runny, so it's like a good consistency. And I have this left over after like applying it to the lace, and I'm gonna put that on there for like 10 minutes. It's already lifting, like, so I feel like I want to wash it out right now. Okay, so I didn't have a clip of me actually applying the bleach to the lace, but this is what it looked like. And as I said, it was lifting super fast. It was the first time that has ever happened to me. So this is what it's looking like once the knots are bleached. As you guys can see, it has lifted and it's looking natural looking. And this is what the hair looks like in its pre-plucked state before I go ahead and further pluck the hair. But first, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair. Today I decided to wear this hair straight, not in its natural body wave state. I wanted to like have just a light straight hair, not bone straight though, but I'm just going ahead in with the flat iron, and I'm doing the chasing method to straighten this hair. So that's basically what I'll be showing for this few clips right here. So as I said before, guys, this hair is super soft. I really loved that. Also, when I did bleach the hair and washed it out, toned it and everything, I had little to no shedding at all. So this hair really passed the washing test. And also, as you guys can see with the flat iron, I didn't really need to like pass through it a million times for it to get straight. It straightened easily for me, so that was really great. I really enjoyed installing this hair, and the process was simple for me, and I really like this unit a lot. So this is what it's looking like once I pass my flat iron through the hair. Just gonna show you guys a little close-up of what it's looking like. So now to install the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead with the Got2b glued gel, and first I'm going to like brush back my natural hair so that it's not in the way when I apply my cap. So I'm just putting that on. I'll be brushing my hair back, and then I'll just dry that down with the blow dryer. And also, guys, as you guys can see, my hairline comes way down on the side, so I will be brushing that down to protect my edges right there. Okay, I don't want to be bald, so This method right here is great for persons with a low hairline. So I'm just going to show you guys how I install this wig with my hairline being so low down to the sides, and how I alter the wig to better fit my hairline. As you guys saw, I sprayed the Got To Be Glued spray on my hair to further seal my hair and ensure that it is lean smooth. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my cap. Today I'm doing the ball cap method, and I will just use my spray to hold this cap down onto my head. It does get a little messy, guys, honestly, because I was like, I'm very heavy-handed sometimes, and I was spraying the heck out of this. So it did get a bit messy, guys, but it worked out in the end. And I'm just gonna go ahead and release my ear by cutting out a little teeny hole to the side, and then I just put my hair out and further lay the cap down. And once that is completely dry, I'll just go ahead and apply a makeup on top of that to give it the illusion of a ball cap. Once you guys see that the color that you're adding to that cap matches your skin tone, guys, you know that you're doing a really great job. Okay, so that is why it's called a ball cap method. So right here you guys can see that I'm taking my time and easing up that cap because it went down too far down onto my hairline. And I am using a cotton ball with some alcohol to rub onto my hair to release it from the cap, and this made it come off like really easy right there on the side. Because my sideburn is there, I was so happy that it laid down because it doesn't tend to hold down too much onto my sideburn. So I was glad that it went down right there. And I'm just taking my time, guys, to remove that cap by cutting it with the scissors, ensuring not to cut my baby hairs out. So I'm just taking my time. Even though this clip here is sped up, I took my time and I clipped that straight across. And any part that I feel is too far down, I take my cotton bud with the alcohol to kind of wipe off the excess glue and ease the cap up just to make it work. And then I go back over with the makeup to like blend that in, and the Got To Be Glued spray to like seal the ends that are kind of like rolling up that I can't cut off with the scissors. I just use my Got To Be Glue to seal that in. So I applied my cap and I'm ensuring that I'm lining up properly, that the cap is underneath, is not showing, and it is in front of it but not on top of my baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess part towards the side that covers my ears, because it will be like super uncomfortable if you see that down. I wanted the hair to come down because I do have sideburns, guys, and I wanted the wig to have sideburns too. So I did stretch your hair down so that I can create my sideburns there. So I'm just gonna attach this wig to my hair, and I'm taking my first layer of Got To Be Glued and I am spraying that across the wig cap, and I'm drying that down with the blow dryer. And the blow dryer is on cool, guys. This will not dry on heat. Maybe it will, but it will take some time. It's best to dry it on cool. And even if you do have a fan, you can go in front of your fan and that will help you to dry down your Got To Be Glued spray. So now I'm just putting the hair down, and for extra security, I'm going back on top with the Got To Be Glued spray, guys, and I am spraying the hairline with that. and I'm doing the same on the other side. Once that is dried down, I take this elastic band and I tie it around my hair. But I do tighten it a little bit, but not too tight to the point where my head hurts. And guys, you're going to see how melted, like look how melted in that is. It's like it's going from my scalp. So as I say, I'm heavy-handed, guys, and some of the got to be glue got on my forehead, but it's easy to just ease it up a little bit. I wanted to show you guys the whole process of me doing this. Like seriously, it's not perfect, but you know, it got the job done. And as you guys can see, I did cut the 4 smaller parts so that it's easier for me to remove the excess lace. And now I'm going in with my stick razor there, or my eyebrow razor, and I'm just taking my time. This clip is sped up, but I am taking my time to cut off that excess lace, and whatever that is left over, I take the scissors and just snip it off. So you guys can see that there was a white line there, and I took the got to be glue spray on my finger and I just pat that in, and I'll show you guys a close-up of how melted that looks. Like look at that, guys, like you can't tell that there was a lace there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the rest of the excess lace, and I'll repeat the same procedure with the scissors and the got to be glued just to slick the hair down. And once I do this, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to like pluck the hair some more. As I said before, this unit is pre-plucked, guys, but to like further adjust it to my hairline, I wanted to pluck it some more. So you guys saw me spray some water on the hair, and then I went in with my tweezer and I plucked it, and I did this right across the front area of this wig. Also, where the sideburn is, where I created, I went ahead and I plucked it out just a little bit so that it can appear to have this like natural look. And once all of that is like plucked and it's pleasing to me, I go in with the hot comb to like slick my hair down. Look how natural that looks, guys, like super natural. So now I'm just gonna work on my baby hairs, of course, and I'm just gonna like cut the hair with the stick razor. Now I'm just gonna go in with my mousse and I'm gonna mold those hairs in the front that I just cut to create baby hairs. Even though you guys are seeing hair down in the front right now, I decided to like brush them upwards and just worked on the two baby hairs on the side, which mimics my hairline, because my baby hairs actually is right there. So I just used the baby hairs from the lace frontal wig and I put that on top of mine, so it has that natural look that my hair actually has. And I did go ahead and cut the little sideburns shorter, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the front. So I did do my makeup, guys, and oh my gosh, look how melted that is. Right here I'm just like putting on some more like makeup to kind of like blend it in. I'm gonna go ahead and neaten up my parting. I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb to like bump the front of my hair, and then I'm just gonna go in with my concealer to further blend the parting with my complexion. Basically, that's what I'm doing. So I use a flat brush to apply some concealer, not too much, and once that is done, I take my finger and rub it in so that it can have this natural look. And once that is done, guys, this is the final result. Super easy. I really love this unit, guys. Like, I slayed this wig right here. I'm saying that it is so soft to the touch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much, Sunber, for sending over this unit. I really like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.